Hi everyone, this is Matt. Welcome back to my channel. So taxes and legal documents are something we can't avoid, unfortunately. So normally you would print a document, fill it in, sign it, scan it, and then send it by email or maybe even by post. So there's a lot of work, it takes a lot of time. But today I want to introduce you to PDFLiner, which is an AI platform that makes the whole experience much easier, and with the help of AI, you can actually fill in a form within 2-3 minutes. It's that easy. And I will use W-9 form, which is a US tax form, to show you how to use it, how to do it. And I'll show you around PDFLiner as well, what it's capable of. And on top of that, I have a 30% discount for you so that you can fully enjoy this platform. Okay, so this is PDFLiner of pdfliner.com. I just jump straight to the templates. And there is so many of them. They are divided here in a few categories, so you can see tax forms, legal, medical, contracts, education, and so on. There's quite a few of them. I'll jump to all templates. And yes, you can edit, fill out, sign, export. This is essentially what it allows you to do. And now these are the most popular documents. And there's a forms library here, but as I said, I want to use form W9 to show you exactly how it works. So W9 form 2024, the previous one 2018. You can also request a W9 form. So we'll go for W9 2024. Okay, so this is it. This is the form here, and it is you can type in all the information here. There you go, Matt's YouTube channel. This is going to be the name of my business. But what I really like straight away, but you get those tips from AI everywhere, right? Here, there, just telling you how to fill in these forms, what it really means, using much more digestible language. So if you're struggling with any of this, you can also ask AI to help you fill out the form. So let's do just that. Fill out the form, there you go. This prompt is already there. What's my full name? What is the name of my business? What is my tax classification? It gives me a few options. What's my address? Well, it's easy. So it is 1 Matt Street of Mattstown, obviously, Matt State, and my zip code will be 12345. Clearly legit information. Come on. This is exactly where I live. What's my taxpayer identification number? 123456789. There you go. This is me. Okay, this is the summary. I'm going to confirm because all of this information obviously is true, is correct. Okay, and now you can see that it's populated everything. So my name is here, the name of a business, my address, social security number, all of this stuff is here, and now I just need to sign it. Well, if I want to sign it, I can't sign it. So it already remembers my signature, but I will add a new one. Type. There you go, that's totally so right. Sign is all here, and now I have the option to send. So I can send via email, so I could send it to myself and just like that, and I'll get a PDF version of this. I can send to sign, so I can send it to someone else to sign, and I can choose up to 100 recipients here. So I can just type in their email addresses here. I also have an option here to save as PDF, to print, to save as JPEG. So this is how it works, and it's that easy to fill in all of these forms. And then this is the pricing, so you can use it just for a single document if maybe you only do it once a year. But remember, I have a 30% discount to offer you, so you can get a few dollars off this. This is for self-employed users, so $10 a month, so that would be $7. So this is how it works. It's that easy. It will save you lots of time, and you can benefit from that 30% off. So if you need it, I would definitely check it out. And well, if you benefit from this, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.